What we'd like to do is transform the food and beverage transparent plastics packaging industry from fossil fuels to sustainable materials. The other thing that we're doing is that the transformation that we're looking to do is something that's going to be economically viable. So it's not only sustainable for the environment, but it actually is also economically sustainable.
Hi everyone, welcome to another executive interview. Joining me today is Eduard Alcordo, the founder and director of FP Paradigm, a company that is spearheading transformative solutions in food and beverage packaging and plastics recycling. Eduard, it's a pleasure to have you here today.
I'm glad I could join you, Rhythm.
Amazing. Now, could you please elaborate on FP Paradigm's long term vision and the potential impact that it aims to achieve both environmentally and economically?
Yes. So we're in the business of transformation. And what we'd like to do is transform the food and beverage transparent plastics packaging industry from fossil fuels to sustainable materials. Now, in the example of the food industry, the transparent food industry, in Australia, it's about 300 million. And what we'd like to do is we'd like about 70% of the marketplace to use our new technology, which is sustainable. I guess in the beverage market, which is a lot bigger, it might take a little bit longer. But in the food industry, we're looking at within the next 5 years. And the other thing that we're doing is that the transformation that we're looking to do is something that's going to be economically viable. So it's not only sustainable for the environment, but it actually is also economically sustainable.
That's truly visionary, Edward. Now, FP Paradigm has received substantial support from the government, including an advanced funding from OS industry and significant R&D grants. So, how do these grants actually strengthen the company's position and contribute to its growth trajectory?
Yes. So FE Paradigm has received an R&D advance funding of about 46 million for the next 2 years. Where that's important is that helps us with our laboratory research, and we've actually made a few breakthroughs there. And aside from that, now we're scaling up. So that's important as well that we are able to scale it up in preparation for commercialization. But the other thing that it does is it allows us to make sure that the products, the features of the products that we make and the technology that we've developed is economically viable in the marketplace, which means that in the end, we are going to create these products out in the marketplace so people could actually see it, and then it could provide us further information to give us guidance as to how to do the research properly. Because as we've said, we always want to make our products economically sustainable.
Amazing. That's truly impressive. Now, the partnerships with industry giants like Arnott's and Pablo and Rusty's signal strong validation for the company's initiatives. So, how do these partnerships actually contribute to FE Paradigm's market penetration and scalability?
Yes. So our partners allows us to provide a direction in terms of the economic viability of the product. So our objectives are quite clear as to what we want to achieve. The question is it going to be economical in terms of commercially viable? But more importantly, will the market actually accept it and buy our products? So the people like Arnott's have a very good name, Pablo and Rusty's. They will allow us, they will help us in terms of researching the attitudes of the market um, uh, to the characteristics of our product and also how much the market is prepared to pay.
Amazing. That's fantastic to hear, Edward. Now, FP Paradigm is involved in cutting edge projects that are ranging from organic recycling to carbon utilization. So, how do these technological advancements differentiate the company in the market, and what potential do they actually hold for disrupting the traditional packaging industry?
Okay, So I guess the main difference between our technology and the recycling technology that's available is firstly, our technology allows for um, uh, infinite recycling, whereas the others don't. The other thing which is most important is it allows for the ability to segregate or sort different kinds of plastics in an economical way. And the third thing is in our studies is actually a lot cheaper than all the other available technologies. And what that does, uh, it allows our technology to be used when the price of the commodity, like food, which is quite cheap in terms of packaging, so it allows our technology to be applied to that sector as opposed to only high valued sectors.
Amazing. That's truly incredible. Now, the plastics packaging material in Australia alone is substantial, and the company's focus on PET recycling really presents a significant opportunity. So, how does FP Paradigm actually plan to capture the market share, and what are the key growth strategies that you've put in place?
We're doing that by having partnerships with brand partners like Arnott's and Pablo and Rusty's, and also having partnerships with I guess the manufacturers, right? But more importantly, I think the key driver to all this is the person that uses the plastic, the man on the street. And so our strategy is to put our product in front of them, and we're very confident that they would be convinced that our product is not only environmentally responsible, but also economically viable.
I understand. Now, as a parting question, Edward, FP Paradigm boasts a very impressive team with diverse experience, including renowned professors and industry leaders. So, how does the collective experience and leadership of your team actually position the company for success in executing its ambitious projects and achieving its long-term goals?
I guess we have, in my opinion, the best researchers that Australia could offer in this particular area, which is chemical engineering and also discrete choice modeling and engineering in general, and also in terms of other researchers and management in terms of marketing and relationships. But we're all focused on basically making a change, making a transformative change for the better. And I think with that as our goal, we feel that we will be able to make a difference. And our aim is to put the products in front of I guess, the public, and we're fairly confident that the public will be happy with what we've done.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much, Edward, for sharing insights into FE Paradigm's groundbreaking initiatives in sustainable packaging. For those who are interested in learning more, please check out the contact information provided on your screen or in the description of this video. Once again, thank you, Edward, and to the and to the viewers, I will see you all in my next interview. Thank you.